Welcome back to my channel Tech Karuna, and let's see how to make this bold poster. Choose a blank template in Canva, change the background color, add your image. Now remove your background, go to apps, choose blend image, adjust the image. Now add the main image, remove the background, go to edits, choose the shadow. Now choose outline and change the color to white and keep the intensity less and the size less. Now add the text layer, change the font and also the size of it. Go to effects and now choose hollow effects. Now go to layer and now click show layers. Now bring the second image in between the text which is solid and which has hollow effect. Now here you go. That's all. You can see the bold poster ready. And thank you for watching. If you like it, click the button like, share and subscribe.